Today, I'm going to show you on how you can use Grok Bot. Let me show you how. Before you create any bot, I'm going to show you one skill that clarifies what you need to do or what you want in terms of creating channels or bots. That skill is called Grill Me by Matt. So this skill will ask you questions first, clarifying questions on what you want. For example, if you don't know what bot you need to create, this will verify or clarify what you need to do or what you want in terms of creating your first bot. Let me show you how. When you set up GrokBot, you will encounter different templates of GrokBots. One is Chief of Staff, and the other one I forgot the names. But it's important to have your Chief of Staff so it will delegate tasks from you from agent to agent. As of now, I have the Air Task Group bot to scout some odd jobs for testing if we can land some odd jobs at the moment. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can create your first bot using the Grill Me skill. First, go to this GitHub link URL, go to code, copy this link, go back to your Grok Bot, install this. Since I've already installed this, we're good to go. In order for you to invoke that skill, /grill me and say what you want. I want to create a bot that scans local cafes here in Auckland with 4.7 rating and laptop work friendly. Okay, so for the first question, it says question 1. Okay, new bot or revive the coffee scout. Previously, I have a coffee scout, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna create a new bot. Question 1, new bot. Once you answer the question, press send. If the bot or your chief of staff is not satisfied, it will ask another round of questions. So it says question 1, because I've already created the coffee scout clock, let's just kill the old routine. Done for the second round of questions. So once the questions are done, it will clarify or recap what your chief of staff questions and the answers that you've given it. Once you're done, press send. As you can see here, it created the Laptop Cafe Scout. The good thing about this is your chief of staff already populates the description. As you can see here, it's very detailed based on the questions that it asks on the Grill Me skill. So let's try. Can you run a sample list? Okay, so it gives us is empty on the locked bar. What do you want? Let's see. Allow 4.6 plus. If your bot gets stuck, give them a nudge. The reason we are talking to chief of staff only is the way it gives the instruction to the bot. So you can see here, it says it gives the instruction, okay, Grayling only. You need to run Google 4.7 plus 50 plus review. The bot replied, okay, closest miss. These are the cafes that are not in your requirements. For example, 4.7 but 50 plus under review. It's very specific. That's why when you run your first bot, you need to be talking only to your chief of staff of agents. So that's how you run your first bot using your chief of staff. And now you can also access Grok Bot with your Cursor Pro subscription and Super Grok subscription. So try it out. So in the next video, I'll show you the must-have plugins for your Grok Bot. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.